Hey guys, welcome to the channel BroIsDeveloper. In today's video, we're learning how to install ReactJS and Tailwind CSS in just 5 minutes. Your 2025 Beginner's Guide. Let's jump right in. But wait, before we start, you need to make sure that Node.js is installed on your computer. Without that, nothing's going to work. So if it's not installed, pause this video and do that first. All right, first things first. Create a new folder where your React project will live. Open that folder in VS Code and pop open the terminal. We'll be using this terminal to set everything up. Now head over to Chrome and search for Vite.dev. Click on the official site, then hit Get Started. You'll see the command to create a new Vite project. Copy this command, npm create Vite at latest dot. The dot at the end means we're creating the project in the current folder. Easy. Paste it into your terminal, press enter, and follow the prompts. Name your project whatever you want, pick React, and I personally like using TypeScript, but if you're more comfortable with JavaScript, go for it. Once that's done, type npm install. This installs all the Node modules that make the React app run. Now to see your app live, run npm run dev. It'll give you a link, usually something like localhost :5173. Hold down Control and click it, or just open it manually in Chrome. Boom! Your React app is up and running. You'll see the default page. That's a good sign. Now let's add some sparkles style sparkles with Tailwind CSS. Go to tailwind.css.com, click on Docs, and scroll a bit. You'll see the Vite installation command. Copy this, npm install tailwind/Vite. But before we run it, stop the React server by hitting Ctrl+C in your terminal, then press Y if it asks. Now paste the Tailwind command and hit enter. That installs all the magic. Once that's done, go back to the Tailwind docs and copy the config snippet. It sets up the paths where Tailwind should look for class names. Paste it into your Vite.config.js file. Before pasting the add import Tailwind CSS, just go to your app.js and check by adding the text 9XL in the class name. See, nothing works. Now to make this happen, we have to import our Tailwind in the global CSS file. So to do this, open your main CSS file. It's probably called index.css inside the source folder. At the very top of that file, paste, add import Tailwind CSS. And now when you go back to the browser, you should see giant text on the screen. That means Tailwind is working. You can go ahead and delete all the default CSS styles and start fresh with Tailwind. And that's it. Your React plus Tailwind setup is complete. If you found this useful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps a lot. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I always reply. Also, let me know what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.